in innocence, mischief in ignorance. Guru.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
At this point of time, we all have one thing in common. Neither you nor me have any idea about what I am going to talk now. It all started when VP Education asked me to participate in humorous speech contest. Actually, I am running out of stories. I don't have any ready script also. When I feel running out of stories, I think about my school, because that's where I have had a lot of stories to tell. But the problem here is, I could not tell those stories in public. That too, in this much crowd. So I started filtering out. And finally, what I have got is nothing. Somehow, all the stories were caught up with censor board. Then I started thinking about my friends in school. The first guy popped up in my mind was Venkat. He is such a typical guy who was not wearing pants in the 10th standard also. Not that means he was not wearing anything. I mean to say he was wearing shorts only in the 10th standard also. He is such a pious guy that every time you could see vibhuti, sinduram and kumkum on his forehead every time. But just getting a glimpse on him, I don't know whether I have to walk towards him or stay away or be ready, because that looks like a traffic signal for me. And he always overestimates himself. And once we are preparing for 10th board exams, and we are giving our approximations in final score, and it's his turn now. He started like that. First, languages: Telugu, Hindi, English. Even though right at max, we won't get more than 95. So 95. Our expression. Then, science. Hey, you all know my favorite subject is science, and I'm very good at it. So 100 confirm. Yes, he was correct. He was very good at science because he don't know anything in other subjects. Then, maths. You guys know I'm very poor at math. So 95, not more than that. Then, social, 97. Okay. With this approximation, he got more than 570 for 600. And in the time of results, what he got was 420 marks out of 600. And the pitiest part was, he failed in one subject. That too, his favorite subject, science. Then, I take a step back and thought about my school. Our school has got a traditional custom. I'll tell you what it is. The teacher will be asking questions to the students, and the one who answered the question can slap the others who didn't answer the question on their both cheeks simultaneously like this. So, we slap each other every time we get the opportunity, that too legally. In that way, we will take revenge on each other in front of everyone in the class. And sometimes we could slap each other in such a way that the other guy would get fever the very next day. Our teacher's intention behind this custom was, we feel ashamed to get slaps in front of everyone, so that we'll study in order to avoid the slaps. But the interesting part here is, it is not gender biased. Girls, you don't have 33% reservations here. What that means, girls could slap boys, and boys also could slap girls. So, the studious guys who sat in the front rows started studying hard to slap the girls and make feel proud. But the few other guys, the so-called backbenchers, did a different thing. They feel very happy to get slapped from girls' hand. Sometimes they won't answer the question intentionally to get a slap from girls. So maybe you guys are wondering about me. what I am in this category, whether first row or last row. Yes, no doubts in that. I am the main head in backbenchers. And I already have got a lot of my share of maximum slaps from all petty girls in the class. By looking at these backbenchers, the front row guys felt very jealous, and they also stopped studying and started getting slapped from girls. So in the class, at one point at a time, only girls are studying. One day, our Telugu teacher asked a simple question to us, and many of us did not answer it. And then she asked a girl to answer it. She answered it in no time. And that girl was the most beautiful girl in the class, and from whom everyone believed to get slaps. That time our reaction was very eager. Yes, our time has come. But the teacher became very furious because we did not answer a simple question. And she thought she asked us to get out of the class and stand there in that position for 2 hours. And we were surprised. We were expecting the slap from that girl, and she gave me a different punishment. And then we were opposing the punishment, we were asking for slaps for the girl. And she insisted us to go out of the class. Then we started asking, I know the answer actually. You know the answer? Then teacher got surprised, and she came to know the reason behind it. And she just can't control his laughter. He just can't control his laughter. After that, we lost our traditional custom of slapping in the school. With this, I can go on and on, but for now, I would just like to say our school days are the best days in our life. Thank you. Thank you so much.